friends, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching a 4-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location is surrounded by attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews online that are giving ideas to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.8, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Room category 1. Details like the size, bed type, amenities, facilities, category 5. Category 6. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, all guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the property is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Many categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rates and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policy. If you are planning to book it, please check the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem with this property, you can tell us by connecting me with the stay in this property. Please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, watching the video.